Now let's see the break and continue keywords. So when we discussed about the keywords, we have one break and continue. We know always the keyword starts with the lowercase letters. So first let's discuss about the break. Break is a keyword which is used to exit from a block of statement. So in a loop, whenever we use the break keyword, at that time it will exit from the block of statement. So the syntax is break and a semicolon. Now let's implement this break in a one C program. For example, the same, I want to print the numbers from 1 to 10 using for loop. So starts with the main function. I am declaring one variable n with integer data type and then clear screen. For loop I am writing here. So for loop, in for first I am initializing, that is n equals to 1, and next test condition is n less than or equal to 10, and after that n value is incremented, n plus plus is the updation. So when I am using this for loop, it is nothing but I want to print the values from 1 to 10. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So in this we are implementing break keyword. So for that, in the for loop, so for loop is from here to, so for loop starts here and it is ending up to here. Next, in the for loop I am writing the if statement. So if statement starts from here and it end here. So this is the if block. So within the for loop, before the print statement, I am writing the if block. So in the if, I am giving one condition. If n equals to equal to 5, means whenever the value of n is 5, when this test condition becomes true, then this statement will be executed. In this statement, what we have, break. So whenever the value is equal to 5, then it should be break. Nothing but when I am using this break, it will exit directly from the for loop. Now after this I am printing the statement, and this printf statement is within the for loop only, and after that for loop ends, get ch and then return 0. So in the output I will be getting as 1 2 3 4 only, because after 5, when this test condition becomes true, it will be executed with the break statement. So this is used to exit from the loop. Now after that, no integer will be displayed. So it displays only up to 1 2 3 4. So first it will test the check the test condition. So first 1 is less than or equal to 10. Next it goes to the for loop. 1 equal to 5. The statement is false, so it does not execute the statements inside statement. Now next it goes to the printf, so that 1 will be printed. Next after that, the value of 1 will be is incremented. Now again the test condition will be checked after that printing, and whenever it comes to the 5, n equals to 5, 5 less than or equal to 10, the test condition is true. Now after that, it goes to the if block. 5 equal to 5, yes, the statement is true. Now this statement will be executed, that is break. So it will be break, then directly it will exit from the for loop. So in the output we will get as 1 2 3 4. This is about the break keyword. Now next we have the continue keyword. Continue is a keyword which is used to stop execution of a set of statements of a current iteration. Then remaining set of instructions are executed continuously or usually. So whenever while the execution is going on, when we use the continue, that current iteration, whatever the iteration we are doing, that will not execute. After that, whatever the statements are, the remaining set of instructions are there, those will be executed as usually. Now the syntax is continue and the semicolon. Now let's see the small program to implement the continue. I am using the same to print the values from 1 to 10. Now the int main starts with the main function. I am declaring one variable n with integer data type, then clear screen. Now the for loop, n equals to 1 is the initialization. I want to print the values from 1 to 10, and the test condition n should be less than or equal to 10, and every time the value of n will be incremented. Now the for loop, I am writing one if block. So this is the if block, and from here to here it is the for loop. So within the for loop only I am writing the if. After this I am writing the print statement. So if n equal to n equal to 5, then if this test condition becomes true, then inside the block we have one statement that is continue. It means when the 5 equal to 5, it will be continued, and when 5 is equal to 5, when the both values are equal, at that time that current iteration will be stopped, that execution of that statement will be stopped. We cannot see the 5 in the output. We can see after the 5 we have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So those statements are executed as usually. So the current iteration, the whatever they is there, it continue is used to stop the execution of set of statements for a current iteration. Then remaining set of statements are executed as usually. Now after that, get ch and the return 0, close the main function. So first 1, 2, 3, 4 will be printed, and 5 will not be printed because it will be this we are using the continue keyword. Now this will stop the execution of the statement. Now after that, in the printf again next same, after 5 we have the 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Those will be printed as usually. So this is about the break and continue keywords.